Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix slow connection. So guys, before we begin, you can click on my link in the description below to get a $100 coupon bundle or use my code to get a 30% discount on Temu. So now with that said, I'm going to show you multiple ways in order for you to fix this issue. So for the first one, just make sure you have a stable internet connection into your device and make sure you are connected to a Wi-Fi, and that should be able to fix the issue. But if it doesn't, guys, just simply go ahead and try to go to the settings into your device, and from here just simply scroll down and just go to apps. And now from here just simply try to find Temu. So it is on letter T. And from here, just simply tap on it. And after that, guys, you should be able to see here storage. And from here, just simply go to clear cache. And that should be able to fix the issue. But if it doesn't, try to clear the data by tapping on clear data over here. And tap on OK. And from there, guys, you should be able to fix your issue. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!